everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an updated what I eat in a day. So you guys are going to be following me around today and I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I eat, what I snack on, everything and anything. If you love food, thumbs up the video. Who doesn't love food? I just woke up. I don't even know if there's anything on my face right now. I literally just put my skincare on after I showered and now we're gonna eat some breakfast. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda. Welcome. Make sure to hit subscribe down below and don't forget to turn on those post notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's get into it. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. That's how you're gonna start off your day. You need energy, you need something good in you so you can get your day rolling. I know a lot of people like to skip breakfast, but definitely not me. For my breakfast, I'm gonna be having overnight oats. I'm going to show you how I make them. With overnight oats, you do have to make them a couple hours before or the night before. I always make mine at the night before and then I let it sit in the fridge overnight. And this morning we are having a blueberry muffin overnight oats. It is delish. So let's go ahead and get started with our delish blueberry muffin overnight oats. Very yummy and super easy to make. I'm mixing everything in my airtight container that I'm gonna store it in. First thing you wanna do is take a cup of oats, a tablespoon of chia seeds, a 1/4 cup of chopped up almonds, some cinnamon, and some blueberries. For milk, you can use any kind of milk you want. I'm using this non-dairy coconut beverage from Trader Joe's. And then literally that's it. You mix it all together, put it in an airtight or put some plastic wrap over a bowl and put it in the fridge overnight. And in the morning, it is ready to eat. In the morning, I take a little bit of Zero Cal, which is a no calorie, no sugar sweetener, just to add a little bit more sweetness. I'm just gonna drink some water because I feel like when I drink a full glass of water in the morning, I don't eat as much and it just helps fill me up and you need water. So I don't know if I'm the only one, but I always like to eat like in my living room. I feel like I don't use my dining room as much. I don't know, I just like eating in my living room and watching TV. It's just so good. Like so good. Also random, I'm obsessed with these hair ties. They're so good. My friend Emily and Gemma got me on them. I'll link them down below. I got them on Amazon. But with my hair being so thick now with extensions, none of my hair ties would work. They're too small. And my hair would always fall out, but these, like, they don't hurt. They don't leave that demarcation line in your hair either. I love these. They're so good. What are you gonna eat, Aspen? Do you want your food? Do you wanna eat your breakfast? Usually every morning I will have a tall glass of water with apple cider vinegar and lemon. I showed it in my last what I eat in a day. But right now I'm actually trying something a little bit different. I'm gonna show you. I'm actually trying the apple cider vinegar tablets. You take those, I think it's 2 to 3 times a day, but you have to ease yourself into it because apple cider vinegar is very strong. I'll keep you guys updated if I feel like it's the same as the water. The water is definitely a lot to take, but it works so well and it's so worth it. So I'm really interested because I've just started using these tablets. I'm gonna show you, but I'll let you guys know if I get the same results. These are the apple cider vinegar capsules. So I've been taking 2 of these 2 times a day in the morning and at night. I've just started doing it, so I'll keep you guys updated if I feel like if it works. I'm also going to take hair vitamins and a multivitamin. So now I'm getting ready to head to the airport to pick up my mom. I'm picking out my perfume right now. She's coming into town today and she's staying for a week. I'm so excited. I'm a mama's girl for sure. So excited to see her. I know this video is not about perfumes, but I'm a perfume hoarder. This is just some of my perfumes. I have a problem. Gotta smell good for my mom today, you know what I'm saying? Rocking my queen hoodie. I literally wear this hoodie every single day. It's my favorite hoodie in the entire world. 1, because it's olive, 2, because it's so soft, and 3, because it's for queens, and I'm a queen, right? We're all queens, yes. Molly, are you ready? Are you ready? Grandma's coming. Are you excited? See you soon. Love you. My kitchen is a little bit of a mess right now and I have PR boxes back there, so ignore that, but I am back. So I just put on this Gymshark set. I'll link it down below if they still have it. I'm getting ready to go get a lash fill and then I've got to go get my hair done. My hair is really dirty right now. I'm actually probably gonna put it up in a little bit. Even though it looks like I'm about to go work out, I'm actually not gonna be able to work out today because I'm running a full day of errands and running around doing stuff. But I wanted to share with you guys the snacks that I'm gonna take. The most tempting time for me to eat bad is whenever I'm out and about and I'm hungry, because you're hungry and you just want to eat something. So I'm going to show you the snacks that I'm going to take with me in case I get hungry. I'm going to bring a BSN vanilla marshmallow protein crisp. These are so insanely good, like so good. It has 20 grams of protein, 2 sugars, 23 carbs, and 230 calories. So this is a beefy little protein bar, and it will hold me over until I can come home and cook a meal until later, and they taste delicious. I'm also gonna bring an energy drink. This is the Alani Nu energy drink in the mimosa flavor. I've tried the Hawaiian shaved ice and I really like it. I picked these up because my girl Whitney Simmons, she got me hooked on trying them and I love them. These have 10 calories and 5 carbs, 0 sugar, but they taste really, really good. Ever since I got back from Europe last year, I was like craving soda because Coke in Europe is so, so good. So for me to get off soda, I started drinking sparkling water. So whenever I crave soda, I'll just have a plain sparkling water. You can also do flavored ones if you like, but they don't give you energy. It's just sparkling water. So these are great because it has that little sparkle, it has that little fizz to it, but it's an energy drink and there's barely any calories and no sugar, which is awesome. So I'm gonna bring this in the mimosa flavor with me, and we're gonna go get our lashes done and our hair done and you know, everything. If I was getting ready to head to the gym right now, I would be taking an espresso shot. I have an espresso maker. I like to do an espresso shot before I go to the gym. I'm still searching for a pre-workout that I really, really like. I've tried a few and I wasn't crazy about them. They just made me itch too much. I actually just bought the Alani Nu one because of Whitney Simmons and I haven't tried it yet, so I can't recommend it. But usually I will just take an espresso shot, add a few drops of my no calorie, no sugar sweetener, and then I'm out the door. I wanted to show you guys this coffee I've been drinking lately because I got so many questions on Snapchat and Instagram. This is the cold brew bulletproof coffee with collagen protein, and my favorite flavor is the vanilla latte. This is an iced version of bulletproof coffee. It is so delicious. I found mine at Gelson's, which is a grocery store, but I'm sure a lot of other ones have it as well. This has 180 calories, no sugar, and 15 grams of protein. So it is keto friendly and it tastes so delicious. They also have a plain and a mocha flavor as well, but this one is my fave and it is so good. So if you're on keto, definitely give it a try, or you want something low sugar, it is so good. I paid $3.99 for it, which I know is kind of expensive, but if you go to Starbucks or another coffee shop, you're gonna end up spending $4, $5, $6 anyways. So if you think about it that way, I can justify it. If I don't want coffee, I'll take a scoop of matcha and put it in water and shake it in like a little protein bottle or a blender bottle, and I'll drink that on the way to the gym. Matcha is more natural energy, and since I drink more matcha than coffee now, I feel like the espresso shot just really does it for me because I don't drink as much coffee anymore. I did put on a little bit of makeup. I put on a little bit of brow pencil, lip pencil and lipstick, and a little bit of a BB cream, and that's it. So let's go. All right, you guys, so I just got home. It is time to cook some lunch. I am pretty hungry. I was starving by the time I got to the salon. I'm so glad that I brought the protein bar, so I ate that, so that'll hold me over until I cook. Sometimes I'll snack while I cook, which I'll show you for dinner time, and I'll have like something a little bit healthier to snack on, but I feel pretty good. I can definitely wait till I cook. So for my lunch, I'm going to be making shrimp and zucchini noodle pasta. It's really yummy and it's really fast. It doesn't take a whole lot of time to cook. The thing with me is that I don't like my meals to take too long to cook, or else I'd rather just order food, because when you're hungry, you want to eat. So this doesn't take very long and it's really, really good. So I'm going to show you how I make my shrimp and zucchini noodle pasta. And I'm also going to make some flavored water to drink while I cook. The more water I drink, I feel like it fills me up faster so I don't eat as much. And you need to be drinking a lot of water throughout the day. I know I'm pretty bad at drinking the amount of water that I should be drinking. So doing a water like the one I'm going to show you helps me drink more water. So let's get to it. First, I'm gonna make some detox water, as I like to call it. All you do is mix half a lemon, some mint leaves into your iced water. Lemon is so good for digestion, it's good for bloating, for weight loss. It's great to detox your body, and I love the way mint tastes, so I mix this together and it adds a little bit of something to my water that I drink, so it's not just plain water. For lunch, I'm gonna cook up some shrimp zucchini noodles. They are so good and a great alternative to pasta if you're looking for something low carb. I love the way it tastes, and this is coming from someone who loves regular pasta. So I'm starting with some oil and garlic in the pan, and I'm gonna start by cooking the shrimp. I'm just sauteing it for a couple of minutes. For the noodles, I'm gonna start by adding a little bit of butter to the pan, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add in the actual noodles. Now you wanna make sure you don't cook these too long or they get really mushy. I cook them on medium heat for 1 minute. I'm also gonna add some MCT oil, which is amazing for your brain, for losing weight. There are a lot of benefits to MCT oil and it has no flavor. Definitely look it up if you've never tried it. I started using it with bulletproof coffee. That's how I originally found out about it. And then I'm also going to add some Goya seasoning. And after it cooks for a minute, then I'm gonna go ahead and add the shrimp and mix all of it together, and it's ready to serve. It takes literally less than 10 minutes to make everything. It's super easy. This is the perfect lunch for me. It's light, but yet filling. I love it so much. It is time for some dinner. I am starving right now. I feel like zucchini noodles just don't fill me up as much as regular pasta, so I am ready for some food. For my last meal of the day, I'm going to be cooking up something delicious with today's video sponsor, which is HelloFresh. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. HelloFresh is a food delivery service. They literally do everything for you. They send you your food, the ingredients, the recipe, everything, and all you have to do is cook it. One of the most difficult things for me is to actually make it to the grocery store. I feel like I go through times in my life where I just order out all the time, and it's really expensive and usually not that healthy for you. So the thing I love about HelloFresh is that everything just comes straight to your doorstep. You don't have to go to the grocery store. They just give you a list of things you need, which is usually just Tupperware, like containers, or maybe a little bit of vegetable oil, as you're gonna see in this recipe, but everything is already taken care of for you, and the recipes are very quick. They're all 30 minutes and under. And like I said on my last meal, I don't like to take a whole lot of time cooking because by the time I need to cook, I'm already starving. One of my goals for 2019 is having a better diet. I mentioned this in a video I filmed in December. And the thing I like about HelloFresh is everything is already pre-measured. So you get all the ingredients, everything straight to your doorstep with like everything laid out. And it's just super, super easy, which makes your nutrition goals a lot easier. The recipes are seasonal, so you don't get bored, and it switches up throughout the year. And you either pick between classic, veggie, or family style. I use the classic because it's usually just me. Raphael likes to eat something that's higher carb, something that's a lot of food. Sometimes we make them together and eat them, but like today, I'm gonna be the only one eating this meal that I'm gonna make. It can be really hard cooking for one person, so this is another pro to HelloFresh, is it's again just really easy. I think that's the biggest thing when it comes to eating, is we want something that's easy. That's why a lot of us go get fast food, right? Because we want something fast and we want something easy, but this is a lot healthier. Like, you will feel so much better after eating this food versus fast food. Lastly, before we start cooking, the price. It's from $6.99 per serving, and it's America's #1 meal kit. So if you haven't heard of HelloFresh, definitely check it out. I'll link everything down below, including a special little offers. As you'll see in a second, it's really easy because I am not the best cook. All right, you guys, let's get cooking. For dinner, I'm gonna be making the pineapple poblano beef tacos from HelloFresh. I'm actually gonna make it into a taco bowl because I try to eat very minimal carbs at night, and this is easy carb for me to cut out. With HelloFresh, they give you a recipe for each meal that you get. It's super easy, super cute, and I'm telling you, if I can do it, you can do it, girl. So I'm gonna start off by laying out everything that I need. There are a few bowls and things that they call for, some oil, and then I'm gonna place all the ingredients out that they included. So I've already washed all the produce, and now I'm gonna start by chopping up all of the veggies. Don't make fun of my cooking skills. I mean my cutting skills and my cooking skills. You know, you're jealous of these cutting skills. I'm not really the best at this kind of stuff, so that's why I'm like stressing that if I can do it, you can do it. My mom actually had to come help me. This is my mom's hands right here. And then I was like, Mom, let me finish it. I can do it. So my mom is an amazing cook, but she did not pass that skill on to me. So next we're gonna make the salsa and crema. So in a medium bowl, we're going to mix tomato, pineapple, onion, poblano, half the cilantro, and lime. And then in a separate bowl, we're going to mix sour cream with lime and a little bit of salt and pepper to season. Next, we're gonna start cooking the veggies. So I'm gonna put a drizzle of oil in the pan. So I'm mixing the rest of the onion and poblano that I cut up because I'm not using everything in the recipe. I'm just using enough to make one serving. I'm going to season it with a little bit of pepper and add some taco spice as well. Now I'm gonna cook the beef, and I'm cutting it up into lots of tiny little pieces, and I'm gonna season that as well with some pepper and the rest of the taco spice, and I'm mixing it in with the veggies that I cooked. The final step is to mix everything together. So I put the veggies, then the meat, and then the sour cream on top. Honestly, my mouth is watering just watching this. So HelloFresh hooked it up for my subscribers, for you guys, and they gave me a code. If you go to HelloFresh.com and use the code AmandaE60, you will get 6 free meals, which is 2 free meals in each of your first 3 boxes for a total of $60 off. Make sure you click the link in the description bar to check it out. My mouth is watering right now, and look who's here to beg. You can't have that, little girl. Okay. To drink, I just filled up my water with more water from the mint and lemon. So I'm gonna eat this delicious bowl. I didn't use the tortillas because I try not to eat carbs after like 6 p.m., which is really difficult. And I love carbs, but this bowl is I'm like, the taco seasoning smells so freaking good. It's so good. Honestly, to make, I feel like it took me maybe 20 minutes. Just because cutting the veggies takes a lot of time for me because I suck at it, but oh my gosh, it is so delicious. So good. The pineapple is like the perfect amount of sweet. I know some people don't like sweet with their salty, but I love sweet with my salty. Even when I get poke bowls, like fish, I love pineapple in it. Being on keto for a little bit taught me a lot about carbs and sugar, and I apply a lot of that to my everyday food. So I've been pretty good at keeping a low carb diet and low sugar diet. Oh my gosh, this is just so insanely good. I almost licked it clean. Yo. All right, so I have some fruit. I have some oranges, some grapes and strawberries. I put it in a little cup because if I eat it straight out of the bowl, I'll eat the whole thing. And even though fruit is healthy, it still has natural sugar. I try to eat very little sugar, and when I do eat sugar, from fruits, you know? I love strawberries so much. So much, so good. I'm so full now. Feeling good. It's the end of the night and I'm a little bit hungry. Got my comfy socks on. Look at Molly back here all comfy. Did you eat, Molly? Did you eat your food? Did you eat your food? I get the worst cravings at night, and if I'm gonna eat bad, it's late at night, which sucks. So I learned pretty quickly that I had to have healthier snacks on deck. So I didn't eat something really bad like Oreos or Doritos or just things that I crave that I shouldn't eat. So I have 2 little snacks here I'm gonna show you. I'm still drinking my water. Sometimes at night, if I'm craving something sweet, I will make a matcha. Matcha does have natural caffeine and natural energy in it, but it doesn't give enough of a boost to where I can't sleep. Like I can drink matcha and still go to sleep. So I'll make a matcha with some oat milk if I'm like wanting something just sweet and kind of creamy, or I'll make like a chai tea, something like that. But I'm actually not craving it right now. I'm just still drinking my water. So I'm going to eat some of these. Oh, they are so delicious. These are the Trader Joe's roasted teriyaki seaweed snack. It literally feels like air. These have 1 carb, 0 sugar, 1 protein, and 2 fat, 30 calories. Honestly, I can eat 2 of them if I'm starving. They come in like a big pack, but I'll just eat 1 right now. This is what they look like. Oh, no, Molly, don't eat that. Let's see if we can get some ASMR action. So good. Cozy blanket. I'm watching How to Get Away with Murder. I'm on season 4. Episode 14. Let me know your Netflix recommendations down below. I feel like I've watched everything and I need something new to watch. I also have these, which I have not tried before. I just picked these up. These are from Trader Joe's as well, Thai lime and chili cashews. Let's give them a whirl. The chili though, gives you a little kick. They're good though. It was like kind of a weird taste at first, then at the end you're like, oh, that's actually really good. I like those. That wraps up my what I eat in a day video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to give the video a thumbs up if you like this video, and to hit subscribe down below to join my A-team. And don't forget to turn those post notifications on so you never miss a new video. If you want me to do more what I eat in a day videos, just let your girl know down in the comments and I will do more for you guys. It was honestly really hard picking the recipes for this video because I have just been eating so much delicious food lately and really cooking from home a lot. So let me know if you guys want to see more. All right, you guys, love you so much.